Hey, what is happening YouTube? It's the South African tech YouTuber here, and today I got another unboxing for you. This is not a cell phone unboxing. I've basically been only doing cell phone unboxings. Today I'm going to be unboxing a microphone. And up to this point, all my videos that I've been doing, I've been using the inbuilt microphone on my cell phone. In fact, right now what you are hearing, the audio is the microphone that is built into my cell phone. So I need to improve my audio, I know that, and that's why I've purchased this here. This is the fifine, I hope I'm saying that correctly, the fifine t669 microphone. It's a package which comes with not only the microphone, but there's a couple of other things. And in this video I'm just going to be doing a small sound test and the unboxing. So let's see what we get in the box. First of all, the box itself is pretty underwhelming. It's just a plain brown box. And so first of all, here we have it, fifine. As you can see, this is what we supposed to be getting in the box. It's the microphone itself, plus this here as well, plus this sorry, this is a pop filter. Let's just see in this here. Yeah, we have it all. Microphone, pop filter, pivot mount, quite a few things they give you here. And this is a budget microphone. It's not expensive and you get all of this. So let's just see. First of all, we have here is this pop filter. So this is so that when you are talking on the microphone, it doesn't sound, it doesn't pop, it doesn't make those kind of noises. Then we got this here, and let's see what else we get in the box. So here we have some rubber mats, backup mats for the pop filter. I think this goes here in here so it doesn't damage your desk wherever you are putting it on. So that's interesting. And here we have the microphone itself, the fifine t669 microphone with a volume knob here as well. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm no expert when it comes to microphone. This is the first microphone that I'm ever going to use. And then we have this little stand here, which obviously goes onto your desk. I'm assuming the boom arm goes on it. Right here we have let's see what this is. So this, if I'm not mistaken, this is a desk mount. Let me just get this open. Yeah, so this is a desk mount, so you can just put it on your desk, and you can put the microphone, if I'm not mistaken. You just clip it in here, and it's, if you don't want to use the boom arm, you can just use this desk mount. And then we got the big one here, which is the boom arm as well. This obviously goes onto your desk, and then it's easy for you to talk from the microphone. And this here, this is a shock mount for the microphone. And lastly, we've got the cables. This is a, just by the way, this is a USB microphone, so it's just a plug and play. Good quality cable, USB cable they've given as well, from fifine or fifine. And finally, this is a windscreen cap, which also goes over the microphone. You can either you can use this and the pop filter. They just assist, when you, like, for wind and that kind of stuff. So let me get all of this set up, and then I'll get back to you. So these are all the items. It's a lot of items, 8 items that come in the box. And now I'm just going to put it all together, and let's see how it goes. So the first way of using the mic is like this. You just connect this little stand here, keep it on your desk, and you can speak. This is the first way of using the microphone. So the second way is you can use this boom arm. So I've connected this to the bottom of the boom arm. So this little bit will go onto your desk, and then this is the microphone itself, which connects here. You connect it to your desk, and then yeah, you can speak on your microphone. You can put it however you want to. So this is the second way of using the microphone. In order to connect the microphone, at the bottom of the mic here is this cable here, which goes in like this. It's like a printer cable, and this side will go into your USB port, either in your computer or your cell phone or wherever you tend on putting this USB port. Okay, so now I'm going to be testing out the sound on this guy. Usually I'll be able to connect this to my Windows 10 PC, but for now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this adapter and connect this to my phone. So right now what you're hearing is the sound from the internal microphone on my cell phone, and now you are going to hear the sound from the fifine t669 coming from my cell phone. Okay, so now the sound that you are hearing is from the fifine t669 microphone. Right now it's quite low, as you can see, and I will slowly, as I'm talking, I will turn it up. So this is the sound of the fifine t669 microphone, and this is the maximum volume. If I get closer, you'll be able to hear me closer. This is the sound of the fifine t669 microphone. Okay, so right now what you are hearing is the fifine t669 microphone at maximum volume with this little windscreen on it. Tell me how it sounds. And what you are hearing now is the windscreen mount as well as the pop filter on the fifine t669 microphone at maximum volume. Okay guys, so that was just a quick video on this microphone. I'll just put it a little bit softer. I'll be using this microphone for my YouTube videos. I think it's a good microphone at a good price. I will leave all the links in the description below if you are interested in buying this microphone. Please also, if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All the links will be in the description below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.